First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright joins us. What can we see in the future here in the terms of snow?
Well, the snow is done for most of us here this morning. We have one county that's under a winter storm warning through 7 a.m., just Garrett County in Maryland, and that's where we've seen some of the heaviest totals out of this event over the last 24 hours. Grantsville, Maryland, 14 inches of snow. That's in Garrett County, and that was the county we were talking about. That would have the bullseye for the heaviest totals. Accident also in Garrett County, 12.9 inches. You can see the highest total we've seen so far in Pennsylvania, 2 miles north of Vinco at 11.5 inches. Kingwood in West Virginia, 5 inches, and 5.5 4 miles north of Ligonier. Closer to our area here, Pittsburgh officially coming in with 0.2 of an inch. Greensburg, Westmoreland County, 4 inches. And again, a lot of this that fell yesterday morning has melted because we warmed above freezing yesterday afternoon and had all that rain on top of the snow. This morning, we are still seeing some areas of rain showers. This is a pretty steady band of rain coming off of Lake Erie, drifting south out of Butler County into Allegheny County. A pretty moderate rain there just northeast of downtown. This extends up to the north in the parts of Mercer and Lawrence counties here as well. And then we'll pan down to the south. You'll notice the blues are still indicative where we could be seeing some snow just west of Somerset down into Garrett County, but we're gradually starting to see that temperature aloft in the atmosphere warm up. So eventually this snow will transition back over to all rain today as we move into this afternoon and this evening. Still seeing this northwesterly flow between the area of low pressure out to the east and this high pressure to the west. Eventually that high will move off to the east and allow this rain to diminish. But as we work our way into the next few hours, this band of rain is expected to continue through roughly the noon hour, and then the clouds just remain most of today with a few areas of light rain and drizzle possible. Don't expect much of a range in temperatures today and into tonight, likely dropping into the upper 30s to near 40 tomorrow morning. And then these low clouds are going to be persistent most of the day tomorrow. If you're in our southern counties, maybe a chance you see some clearing tomorrow afternoon and evening. That high pressure will move off to the east through the day on Monday. We'll get a push of southerly winds through the day. That'll be ahead of a cold front. That'll bring in a few showers, breezy conditions Monday evening into Monday night, and that'll be followed by some colder air going into the day on Tuesday. Now, Tuesday's system will set us up for what may be coming later in the week. We're going to have a temperature gradient in place, colder air to the north, warmer air to the south. That'll make way for another system to move in from the plains as we work our way into Wednesday night, and Thanksgiving Day. And we're going to have to watch this one closely because some of our area may be cold enough to see some wintry precipitation, while areas to the south might have a little bit more rain. There's still a lot of uncertainty on the track of the system, how the temperature profile will be in place, but do want to give you that heads up. If you do have travel plans going into the day on Thanksgiving, we'll need to watch that system closely. And then after that, temperatures look to turn much colder. So the next 36 hours here, 45 today, 39 tonight, mostly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy expected tomorrow as well. 7-day forecast has temperatures that do warm up ahead of that first cold front Monday, up to 55 with a few afternoon showers. That high of 54 on Tuesday will occur early in the day with falling temperatures through the rest of the day. And then we'll see clouds increase Wednesday into Thursday ahead of a chance for some possible wintry precip going into Thanksgiving Day.